What's up, guys? Welcome to Flip Your Jobs, and in this video I'm going to be going over the best job positions to apply for when you're flipping jobs. So for anyone who's new and don't know what flipping jobs is essentially applying for a bunch of jobs. Let's just say this month you apply for 1,000 jobs. You're going to get some interviews, you're going to get some people that hit you back up. You're going to outsource the work. You're going to outsource whatever jobs you apply for. It doesn't matter if you have experience in that field or not. You go and find someone, let's just say in the Philippines, at a cheaper rate. You tell them to do the interview and you also tell them to do the job. And since you're helping them out, getting them a higher salary than what they would be getting paid for in their country, you split the profit down the middle. So, for example, in their country, let's just say that job is only paying $20 an hour. Over here in America, we charge $65 an hour. So you could split the profit down the middle, have them do the work and do the interview, and you keep the profit. So essentially, you're getting paid to do nothing. You're getting paid to just apply for jobs. So if you're good at applying for jobs and clicking one button a day, or even if you have time on your lunch break, if you have a job already, or if you have time when you're going to the restroom, you sit on the toilet, you're not doing nothing, apply for 10 jobs or so, right? Whenever you have spare time, you just apply for jobs. And when companies reach back out saying, hey, we're looking to hire you, you've outsourced the individual from a different country at a cheaper rate and have them do the job. So without further ado, let me tell you the best jobs to be looking for. The best jobs to be looking for are, of course, 100% remote jobs. You don't want to have hybrid jobs. You don't want to have jobs that requires you to come in physically, right? Because that defeats the purpose of this business model, essentially. So can you do hybrid jobs? Yes, but it gets a little bit more complex. We don't want complexity. We want simplicity, right? So we want things to be simple. We don't want to add more work onto our schedule and the things that we're already doing. So you want to look for 100% remote jobs. Apply for 100% remote jobs. And I specifically look for high paying roles because it's no point of looking for jobs that are low paying, like 15 bucks an hour or $10 an hour, because then it creates competition. You don't want to choose a job that anybody could do, because then you have 10,000 applicants that, this company could potentially choose, correct? So you want to choose something that's a little bit more advanced, like engineering positions, architectural positions, even in the healthcare. But you want to be careful when it comes to the healthcare, because with certain jobs requires certain certifications and certain degrees, right? You can't just walk into a doctor's office and say, hey, I'm ready to perform on a patient, and you don't have the right credentials. So I tend not to choose jobs like lawyers, right, or doctors and things like that. I do jobs where essentially anybody could do, no matter their background, no matter their education, no matter their experience. But I choose mainly the IT field because the IT field is an experience-based field. It's not an educational-based field where they demand a lot of degrees or certifications. Even though it does improve your chances of getting hired, it's not mandatory. So with that being said, when I apply for architectural positions or engineering positions, or higher C-suite level positions, I'm applying for those jobs only because not only is it high paying and remote, but those jobs are in demand and has less competition because everybody can't do that. So since I'm applying for 1,000 of these jobs every single month, I'm able to outsource the work overseas from people who are experienced. They do have a background. 9 times out of 10, they do have degrees and they do have certifications. So their resume is already stacked out, right? I pre-vet them. I give them an interview before I even tell them to do the interview. So I'm not wasting my time and I'm not wasting their time, right? And after I see that they're a good role, they're a good candidate for the position, then I allow them to do the interview. All right. So I screen them. I make sure there is not a bunch of fluff on their resume and they're just, lying saying, hey, I'm good at this, I'm good at that. I make sure I screen them. There's also a website that you can go on that you can pretty much type in what position that they're trying to apply for, and they have their own screening process where they actually do hands-on tests, right? So you can actually see how they can perform, with hands-on tests and, answering questions about the field and the position that they're applying for. So again, this is pretty much what I do for the main part. I still do work just to keep my skills sharp, because I enjoy what I do. I am in cybersecurity. I get good benefits, things like that. But I do currently at this moment have about 7 virtual assistants that works on my behalf for other companies. So in total, I have 9 jobs. I do 2 jobs myself, and I have 7 virtual assistants that do the jobs for me, okay? And if you want me to break this down more for you step by step, I have a website. You can literally click on my website, scroll through for more information, or you can just hit me up on Instagram if you have any questions. Everything is in the description. But if you learned something today, just hit me and subscribe. I'm dropping more gems. I'm dropping more bangers. Next, I'm actually going to show you how I'm reinvesting my money. So if anybody wants to come along on my journey with applying for jobs, outsourcing the work, and reinvesting the money, I'm also dropping videos on how to reinvest it, because it's one thing to make money and another thing to nurture your money and actually grow it. So if that's something you're into, just hit a like, subscribe. It'll help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And because I gave you a gem, this ain't no drop shipping, this ain't no Amazon FBA or stock market BS. This is actually just applying for jobs and outsourcing the work. So anyway, see you guys in the next video. Peace.